you reckon?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
So when we come to shut down, yes. Okay. I've got to reach in the back here. There's two yellow knobs down by your ribs.
Yeah.
Which is the slow running cutout.
Yeah.
So if you feel me reaching back there, you'll know why. Right. See you soon. Have a good flight.
No, this is super cool. Yeah, quite
really
touching actually. I'm very conscious of the old man right at this moment.
Good, yeah. When I bought this to fly a tiger moth, I never ever thought I'd be putting it on a Mosquito.
No.
You can go off there, yeah. Cool, eh?
Cool, absolutely cool. Alice, I thank you very, very, very much.
Mags are off! And I can't believe that compressor works.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. So what sort of pressure are we getting at?
Well, it looks like we've got 60 psi.
Yeah.
I've got the run. Oh, cool. And we've got air pressure. Yeah.
Cycle that at all?
No, I only got 1400.
Where's that hole?
Listen to this, boys.
Oh, nice.
It's got air.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just stay right where you are.